What if I told you, you can control your Windows PC with your phone from anywhere? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. Let's begin. Let's start with the setup. Install an app called Link to Windows on your phone and log in with the same Microsoft account you have logged into Windows on your computer. The login process is straightforward. It depends on security settings you have set for your account. Then go to your computer. There must be a pre-installed app called Phone Link. Log into the app with the same account. Follow the instructions and your phone should be paired easily. You can either connect your Android or an iPhone. I am going to pair my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so I will choose Android. Scan the QR and enter the code. Your phone will be paired to Windows. Now you can see both my phone and laptop model names are displayed in the app. Now let's get into what you actually get once you are connected. There's a ring button right in the app, and clicking it makes your phone start playing a sound even if your phone is on silent. That's honestly more useful than it sounds because you don't have to ask a family member to ring your phone anymore. Photos are even simpler. Your phone's recent photos show up inside the Windows app automatically. So if I want a picture I took on my phone, you don't even need to transfer. You can just copy and paste like you would do on Mac. If I go to apps, I can see all the apps installed on my phone right here. When you are working on your computer and want to check something quick on your phone, you don't have to go pick up your phone. You can also make phone calls and reply to text messages right from your computer. Next, you can see your phone's screen live inside the Windows app. Basically, your phone's display showing up in a window on your PC. And it's not just the whole screen. You can also open individual apps from your phone as their own separate window. So if I open an app here, it behaves like its own little app on my desktop, and I can resize it or move it around just like any other window. Copy-paste works across your phone and PC. I can copy a piece of text on my PC and paste it directly on my phone or vice versa. Not just text, you can even copy-paste pictures. This is indeed my favorite feature. A lot of people like the Apple ecosystem because of this feature. Copying something on your Mac and pasting it straight on your iPhone. Honestly, Windows and Android can do the exact same thing now. Then, the last one. Locking your computer from your phone. There's a Lock PC button right inside the app, and tapping it locks your Windows PC instantly. This works over the internet, so your phone doesn't even need to be near your PC. If you left your desk and realize 10 minutes later you forgot to lock it, you can still do it from wherever you are.